Hi, Jasmine.
Hi.
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 What is your name?
Jasmine.
How old are you?
Yeah.
2 years old. Where do you live?
Apple.
Bohol. Very good. Where is your eyes? Eyes? How about your knee?
Dada.
Knee?
Huh?
Asa man ang knee?
Dada.
Aw, ana knee. Where is your nose?
Dada.
Eyes?
Dada.
Ears?
Ay.
Mouth? Mouth? Ang teeth? Teeth? Hair? Elbow? Where's your elbow? Ang tummy? Stomach? Ana. Ang feet? Ang feet asa man? Uy, very good. Ang teeth? Where's your teeth? Hands? Fingers? Fingers? Where's your fingers?